Top 25 SAP HCM interview questions and answers. SAP HCM Human Capital Management is a comprehensive module used by organizations to manage employee data, payroll, time management, recruitment, training, and performance processes. Professionals working with SAP HCM must understand both technical configuration and HR business processes. Interviewers evaluate functional knowledge, system integration skills, problem-solving ability, and understanding of real-time HR scenarios. Preparing clear, consistent, and well-structured answers helps demonstrate expertise and confidence. 1. What is SAP HCM and why is it important? SAP HCM is a human capital management module used to manage employee-related processes such as personnel administration, payroll, time management, recruitment, and organizational management. It centralizes HR data, improves accuracy, and automates HR operations. SAP HCM is important because it supports strategic workforce planning, compliance, and employee lifecycle management. By integrating HR processes with other SAP modules, it enables organizations to improve efficiency, reduce manual work, and make data-driven HR decisions that align with business goals. 2. What are the main submodules of SAP HCM? The main SAP HCM submodules include Personnel Administration, PA, Organizational Management, OM, Payroll, Time Management, TM, Recruitment, Training and Event Management, and Personnel Development. Each submodule handles a specific HR function while sharing common data. This integration ensures consistency and accuracy across HR processes. Understanding how these submodules interact is essential for effective configuration, troubleshooting, and delivering end-to-end HR solutions that support organizational requirements. 3. What is Personnel Administration, PA? Personnel Administration manages employee master data throughout the employee lifecycle. It includes hiring, promotions, transfers, compensation changes, and separations. PA uses info types to store structured employee information, such as personal details, organizational assignment, and payroll data. It ensures data consistency and integration with payroll and time management. PA is critical because it serves as a core data source for other SAP HCM modules and supports accurate HR reporting and compliance. 4. What is Organizational Management, OM? Organizational management represents the organizational structure of a company. It defines organizational units, jobs, positions, and reporting relationships. OM supports workforce planning, organizational analysis, and integration with personnel administration. It helps visualize hierarchy and manage roles efficiently. OM data is used for authorization, reporting, and HR planning. A well-configured OM structure ensures clarity in responsibilities, supports talent management, and improves alignment between business structure and HR processes. 5. What are info types in SAP HCM? Info types are logical units used to store employee-related data in SAP HCM. Each info type contains specific information, such as personal data, organizational assignment, or payroll details. Info types ensure data consistency and standardization across the system. They are time-dependent, allowing historical tracking of changes. Understanding info types is essential because they form the foundation of employee master data and are used across all SAP HCM submodules. 6. Explain the concept of time dependency in SAP HCM. Time dependency allows SAP HCM to track historical, current, and future employee data. Each info type record has a validity period defined by start and end dates. This enables accurate reporting and retroactive processing. Time dependency ensures compliance and supports payroll accuracy. It allows organizations to analyze changes over time, such as salary increases or position changes, making a critical feature for effective HR management and auditing. 7. What is SAP Payroll? SAP Payroll is a submodule used to calculate employee wages based on salary, attendance, deductions, and statutory requirements. It supports country-specific payroll rules and compliance. Payroll processing involves data collection, calculation, and posting results to finance. Accuracy and configuration are critical to avoid legal issues. SAP Payroll integrates with personnel administration and time management, ensuring consistent data flow and reliable payroll execution. 8. What is time management in SAP HCM? Time management manages employee working hours, absences, leave, and overtime. It records time data using time evaluation and integrates with payroll for wage calculation. Time management helps ensure compliance with labor laws and company policies. Accurate time tracking improves workforce planning and cost control. Understanding time schemas, work schedules, and absences is essential for managing employee attendance effectively within SAP HCM. 9. What is the difference between a job and a position in OM? A job represents a general role or function, such as HR manager, while a position is a specific instance assigned to an employee. Jobs are generic, whereas positions are unique. Positions are linked to organizational units and employees. This distinction allows flexible workforce planning and reporting. Understanding jobs and positions helps maintain accurate organizational structures and supports effective HR planning and analytics. 10. What is a personnel area and subarea? A personnel area represents a physical or logical location within an organization, such as a company or branch. A personnel subarea further divides a personnel area for administrative or payroll purposes. These structures influence payroll rules, work schedules, and leave policies. Proper configuration ensures accurate payroll processing and time management. Personnel areas and subareas are essential for organizational control and compliance. 11. What is a wage type in SAP HCM? A wage type represents a component of employee compensation, such as basic pay, allowances, or deductions. Wage types are used in payroll calculations and reporting. They define how amounts are processed, taxed, and posted. Understanding wage type configuration is critical for accurate payroll results. Wage types ensure structured compensation management and support compliance with company policies and legal requirements. 12. What is schema in SAP Payroll? A schema is a set of rules used in payroll processing to calculate wages. It controls the sequence of payroll functions and operations. Schemas define how wage types are processed and evaluated. They are country-specific and highly configurable. Understanding schemas is essential for payroll consultants to customize calculations and troubleshoot payroll issues effectively. 13. What is retroactive accounting? Retroactive accounting recalculates payroll for past periods when data changes occur, such as salary updates or absences. SAP automatically adjusts differences and post corrections. This ensures accurate payroll results and compliance. Retroactive accounting is essential for maintaining financial accuracy and employee trust. Understanding retro limits and triggers helps manage payroll corrections efficiently. 14. What is the role of integration in SAP HCM? Integration ensures seamless data flow between SAP HCM and other modules like finance and controlling. Payroll results are posted to finance, and organizational data supports authorization and reporting. Integration reduces data redundancy and errors. Understanding integration points is critical for implementing end-to-end HR solutions that align with business processes and financial reporting requirements. 15. What is personnel action? Personnel action is used to execute HR events such as hiring, promotion, or termination. It triggers predefined info types and ensures consistent data entry. Personnel actions simplify HR processes and reduce errors. They support compliance and standardization across the organization. Understanding personnel actions helps manage employee lifecycle events efficiently. 16. What is authorization in SAP HCM? Authorization in SAP HCM controls user access to employee data based on roles and permissions. It ensures data security and confidentiality. Authorizations are configured using authorization objects and structural authorizations. Proper authorization setup prevents unauthorized access and supports compliance with data protection regulations. Understanding authorization concepts is essential for protecting sensitive HR information. 17. What is structural authorization? Structural authorization restricts access based on organizational structure. Users can view or modify data only for specific organizational units or employees. It works with OM to enforce hierarchy-based security. Structural authorization enhances data protection and supports role-based access control. Proper configuration ensures users access only relevant data, improving security and compliance. 18. What is SAP HCM reporting? SAP HCM reporting provides insights into workforce data using standard and custom reports. Reports support decision-making, compliance, and audits. Tools include Ad Hoc Query and SAP Query. Understanding reporting helps analyze employee data effectively. Accurate reporting supports HR planning, performance analysis, and regulatory requirements. 19. What is the role of baddies in SAP HCM? Baddies, business add-ins, allow enhancement of standard SAP functionality without modifying core code. They support custom business requirements. Baddies are commonly used in payroll, PA, and OM. Understanding baddies helps implement flexible and upgrade-safe enhancements that meet organizational needs. 20. What is employee self-service ESS? ESS allows employees to access and update personal data, apply for leave, and view payslips. It reduces HR workload and improves transparency. ESS enhances user experience and data accuracy. Understanding ESS configuration supports digital HR transformation and employee engagement. 20. What is employee self-service ESS? Employee self-service ESS is a functionality in SAP HCM that allows employees to access and manage their own HR-related information. Through ESS, employees can update personal details, apply for leave, view payslips, and check attendance records. ESS reduces administrative workload for HR departments and improves data accuracy by allowing employees to maintain their own information. It also increases transparency and employee satisfaction. Proper ESS configuration ensures secure access, smooth workflows, and improved efficiency in HR operations. 21. What is Manager Self-Service MSS? Manager Self-Service MSS enables managers to perform HR-related tasks for their teams directly within SAP HCM. These tasks include approving leave requests, viewing team reports, initiating personnel actions, and monitoring employee performance data. MSS improves decision-making by providing real-time access to workforce information. It reduces dependency on HR for routine tasks and enhances operational efficiency. Proper MSS configuration ensures role-based access, accurate reporting, and streamlined approval workflows align with organizational hierarchy. 22. How do you handle SAP HCM data migration? SAP HCM data migration involves transferring employee data from legacy systems into SAP while ensuring accuracy and consistency. The process includes data extraction, cleansing, mapping, validation, and loading. I ensure that data is standardized, duplicates are removed, and mandatory fields are populated. Test migrations are performed to identify errors before final upload. Proper documentation and validation checks ensure reliable migration. Accurate data migration is critical for system stability, payroll accuracy, and long-term HR operations. 23. What is the importance of testing in SAP HCM? Testing in SAP HCM ensures that system configurations, payroll calculations, and integrations function correctly. It includes unit testing, integration testing, and user acceptance testing. Proper testing helps identify errors early, preventing payroll issues and compliance risks. It ensures system reliability and builds user confidence. Thorough testing is especially critical in payroll and time management modules, where errors can have financial and legal consequences. A structured testing approach ensures smooth system implementation and ongoing system stability. 24. What challenges do SAP HCM consultants face? SAP HCM consultants face challenges such as complex payroll regulations, frequent legal changes, data security requirements, and system integration issues. Managing large volumes of sensitive employee data requires accuracy and confidentiality. Customization and enhancements must be upgrade-safe and align with business needs. Consultants must continuously update their skills to keep pace with SAP innovations. Strong problem-solving ability, communication skills, and adaptability are essential to handle these challenges and deliver effective HR solutions. 25. Where do you see yourself in SAP HCM in 5 years? In 5 years, I see myself as an experienced SAP HCM consultant with deep functional and technical expertise. I aim to lead end-to-end implementations, handle complex payroll and integration scenarios, and mentor junior consultants. I want to contribute strategically by aligning HR processes with business goals using SAP solutions. Continuous learning and certification will help me stay updated. My goal is to deliver high-quality, compliant, and efficient SAP HCM solutions that add long-term value to organizations. SAP HCM interviews focus on functional expertise, system integration, security, and practical HR scenarios. Providing consistent, detailed answers demonstrates professionalism and readiness for real-world projects. Emphasizing accuracy, compliance, and business alignment strengthens your profile. With thorough preparation and uniform understanding across all topics, you can confidently succeed in SAP HCM interviews and contribute effectively to organizational HR transformation.